Good morning, guys. It is a cold morning, but it is an awesome morning nonetheless because I finally got the go-kart ready. That is right, it is complete. It has everything I want in it. It has the front steering, the front tires, the front brakes, the steering wheel, the seats, the center fuel cell, brake booster, back Brembo brake, muffler, exhaust, back sprocket, back disc brake, cassettes, bearings, the engine, the tires. It's complete. It has everything I was planning to have on it. But I should put a disclaimer because it's not actually finished. Of course, since this is a ground up build, it has to go through its test phasing process, which is going to take quite some time because I want to find every minute detail that I missed. One example is the brakes. The front brakes, they're not as clampy as the back one. The back one, when you press the brake, it just really locks up the back tires, but these don't really, it still rolls a little bit. There's some resistance, but not that much. I would like the front ones to clamp as hard as they can to the point where the tires actually lock up. That would be ideal. For now, I'm gonna let it slide, but I will fix that in the future. I just need to tighten all the bolts down, make sure nothing's gonna come loose. Because if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know that I posted a video of me driving this thing, and it is ridiculously fast, like really fast. And I was kind of giddy to drive it. I drove it, and the steering wheel came off while I was accelerating. And if you know anything about go-karts or anything about small carts like this, they're super fast, and they rely on steering to direct you where you want to go, especially when you have hard accelerations like this one has. That was scary. Not going to do that again. I'm going to make sure everything's bolted down next time. Not going to drive it today because, one, it's morning, and this is super loud. Like, it is ridiculously loud. Like, way louder than a Predator, way louder than the pit bike engine that I had on the, or actually that one, or the one that I had on the pit bike. It's like 10 times loud. The muffler quiets it down a little bit, but not by much. So, and I also don't have gas because I need to go get some. I can show you guys how it sounds because there's enough fuel for that. Sounds pretty good. It sounds really badass. There was a lot of smoke because I kind of messed up on the choke. But there it is, guys. There is the go-kart that I have been working on endlessly for months on end now. I think it's almost coming up to a year since I got this kart with the others. It's crazy. It's crazy how long it actually took to build this. I thought I was going to knock it out in a week. Nope. Nope. Months. Months. But I'm happy. It's here now, and it is complete. In the next video, once I get gas and actually bolt down everything that I need to bolt down, I'm going to drive it and show you guys how it drives, handles, and how much fun it's going to be. Till the next time. Peace out.